Hello children, hope you all are doing good. So stay home and be safe. Today I'm going to teach you how to write a notice. So before that you have to know about notice. What is a notice? A notice is a short formal composition meant to convey a piece of information. It is generally used by organizations and individuals to announce about significant events, celebrations, inaugurations, instructions to make appeal, etc. So what do you mean by a notice? A notice is a short formal composition meant to convey a piece of information. For example, when the event is going to take place, so and so. An effective notice should provide complete information in minimum words. So whenever you're writing a notice, it should provide a complete information, that too in minimum words. Now the guidelines for writing notice. It must be enclosed in a box. So whenever you are going to write a notice, you have to make a box, and inside that box you have to start writing notice. It should have only relevant information. Only you have to write relevant information, as I have told you earlier above, that you should provide complete information in minimum words. So it should have only relevant information. It should be brief, to the point. You have to write the notice to the point, but give complete details of the required information. The 4 W's should be answered in a notice. The 4 W's means these are who, what, when and where. It can roughly be put down as event, date, time and venue. So that 4 W means who, what, when and where, or can roughly you can put down as event, date, time and venue. It should be written in a formal style and in third person. The language must be simple and should avoid ambiguity. So the language, whatever you are writing about, the language should be very simple and should avoid the confusion. You are not supposed to create confusion among the public or people. Then name of the organization, address in a short word notice, date, caption, heading, signature, name and designation should be mentioned clearly. So whatever you are writing, the name of the organization, and after that you have to write notice in bold letters, then caption, eye-catching, heading, then signature, name, designation. Whatever you are writing, you should mention it clearly. It should follow a proper layout. So these are the guidelines for writing notice. Now, format of a notice. Whenever you are writing a notice, as I told you, see, you have to make a box. Initially you have to make a box, then you have to write a name of the organization or institution, that too in capital letters, then address in short running letters, then you have to write notice in bold letters. Then on the left side of the box you have to mention the date, then caption or heading. After that you have to write what? Matter or content. It should answer the questions like who, what, when and where. The other terms are event, date, time and venue. The same thing. Then your signature, name in capital letters, designation. Designation means in which post you are. And all this is the format of writing a notice. Now one example is given here, so I'll just read out that for you. You are Nimish, Nimisha, Nimish or Nimisha. If you are a girl, you have to mention yourself as Nimisha. If you are a boy, you have to mention yourself as Nimish. Sports secretary of your school. Write a notice for the school notice board about the annual sports meet to be held in the next month. So initially you have to draw a box. Then name of the institution is, that is Aryan Public School, Kailash Nagar, New Delhi. address in short running running right. Then notice in bold letter, then date, then the title. After that, annual sports meet 2018 will be held on 10 and 11 November 2018 from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. in the school grounds. Those who want to participate should give their names to the undersigned within 5 days of the notice. There are attractive prizes for all events. The best athlete will be awarded a trophy. After writing this, your signature, Nimish or Nimisha, then your name, then your designation of yours is what? Sports secretary. So this is all about writing a notice.